Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google personalized ads on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly you have to open settings. Now right here we have to scroll down and find Google option. Now right here I have to click on our username, then Google account. Right here I have to click on the data and privacy. Here we have to scroll down and find this personalized ads, where you have to click on my ad center. And wait a second, I'm going to turn on personalized ads quickly. So look, here we have this personalized ads on, so we have to now click on this on button, and now right here in the right bottom corner, turn off button that we can click on, and that's how you can disable Google personalized ads. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.